What's for dinner number 17. I'm back again to make y'all hungry, and let's just jump right in with the meals. So first up, this is the most delicious cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger you'll ever eat. This is a toasted bun with a cheeseburger, tomato, mayonnaise, and bacon. Clearing out the freezer, I found some hash browns that needed to be used up, so we had hash brown as a side. Next up, we have homemade mashed potatoes, peas, and this is a slow cooker roast, and it's just a seasoning pack and a roast that was in the crock pot. Homemade meatball subs, I did a video on this and will link it. Well, the In the Kitchen playlist is always linked in the description box and in the cards if you're wondering, and all the recipes I've ever done on this channel are there in that playlist. But homemade meatball subs, and I made the Copycat Dairy Queen chicken basket, which is also a video, and definitely check that out. It's absolutely delicious. It's very easy to make. So Buffalo Ranch chicken, shells and cheese, and mustard greens. Random combination, but I was really kind of craving mustard greens, so we had mustard greens with it. Check out the playlist for a full recipe on the Buffalo Ranch chicken. I made a homemade potato salad, baked beans, and ribs in the crock pot, barbecue ribs, and I just slapped that on like a sub bun that we had left over from the meatball subs, which was really delicious. Tuna pasta with mixed in peas. We love having it like that. Very easy, simple dinner. A homemade chili. Once again, check the playlist. There will be a recipe for that homemade chili. This may not be appetizing looking, but it's leftover homemade chili topped with cheese, and that's a baked potato with some butter that I skinned. And basically the chili's mixed a little bit with the potato. And sometimes when we have leftover chili, we will do this. We'll take a baked potato, put the chili on top, and have cheese, and it's just a chili cheese baked potato. Really yummy. We also had spaghetti and garlic bread. And the next thing is something new that I tried my hand at, which was a fried chicken sandwich. Usually I just do like fried chicken and we eat it like tenders or something. But this time I sliced the chicken breast and I battered them. I fried them. We eat them on a bun. And here's a variety of sauces. I just have like some barbecue, some ranch buffalo sauce, and some ketchup just to dip it in. My favorite by far was, this is totally random and somebody might get grossed out by this, but barbecue and ranch mixed together was so yummy. Taco salad, super easy and quick to make. I had a BLT salad one night. And then last item we had was the chicken bacon ranch sandwiches, which there's also a recipe video on, and chips and dip as a side. So really easy, slow cooker meal. So that is everything that we had recently, and this has been What's for Dinner number 17. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any comments or questions regarding any of the meals that you've seen, please let me know. And there will be links to the In the Kitchen playlist in the description box as well as the cards, so definitely check that out. And I thank you guys so very much for watching.